Okay, I think I've got this set up right. All right, so Moon+Reader Pro. I want to sync with FTP. I want to sync my ebooks with FTP, and I'm doing that right now, I think. So let me go to options here, options, sync via FTP. I don't want to use Dropbox. I don't want to use WebDAV. I don't want to use Google Drive, anything like that. I want FTP, File Transfer Protocol. All right, so this is what my settings look like. It's a local IP right now. So I got a username and password, port 21 for now. I'm just testing it out. And I have one book on this device and one book on this device, and this is both live right now. So I want to test this out. On the second device, I want to hit options. I want to go to synced FTP. Okay, I haven't enabled it, but I'm going to enable it right now. Then I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to hit this manual only. And then I'm going to hit sync to cloud. So it could not create file. Okay, I don't know why oh, maybe it's, let me check the login and password. 192.168.1.101 port 21 FTP user. Oh, I know why, because the pub folder. I got to put the pub folder in there. Okay, now that should work. Okay, let's try again. Sync to cloud. Okay, it's uploading the book. Okay, it just uploaded the book. Now let me verify that with this. Yep, I sing the body electronic. Okay. Or I'll just type LL. They're very long book names. Okay. So we've got two books on the FTP server right now. There they are. Okay, so let me see if I can get this book on the left to appear on this device on the right by going to sync from cloud. Clone all. This will empty my shelf and clone books from the cloud to the shelf. Okay, let's try that. Now, I actually never seen that screen before. Okay, what if I hit import? Okay, well, what if I hit sync from cloud over here? New shelf books detected, you have to sync with it. You can view new books by sort by import time, or tap here to view the list. I don't know if I should hit clone all or hit OK. Oh! Oh! That just fucking appeared, dude, and it says FTP on it. What? So it's downloading. Huh. Okay. This is your new reading position, FTP. Sync with it? Yeah. There's a new reading position. Okay. All right, so that synced up. Interesting. So let me hit the sync one more time. What about sync to cloud? Sync to cloud. Sync from cloud. Sync from cloud. Well, this showstopper is not appearing on this one on the right for some reason, but the other one is. So I don't understand. So if I go to, instead of local, I hit this FTP pub. There's this one. So I can download it here, but that's stupid. I don't want to have to do that every time. I just want to be at the shelf and do it. So I don't understand why they're behaving oddly. Let me go back to the FTP thing, settings, and compare them. Yeah, they're the same. They're in the pub folder, yep. Same login, same password, same settings. So I don't understand. Can I hit import books? No, that's the same one. Are the versions different? Let me go to about. Oh, the one on the right is newer. The one on the left is older. So I like that this showed up with this FTP shit. But what happens now if I try to... Oops. What if I highlight something on the left here? Like, how about the title? Oops. Come on! Okay, I can't highlight that. How about this? Okay. Let me highlight this. Yellow. Okay. All right, let's see if that syncs. It says okay. Oh, new reading position. It asks me. Yes. So then I should see that highlight at the beginning. Title. Wherever the fuck it is. Nope, I don't see it. Let's try it again. It's not syncing exactly. Okay, let me try the other way around. Let me close this. Reopen it. So, okay, the reading position. Let me try that. Let me jump to page. Let me just jump to the title page, and then back up. Okay. Close it. Now let's see what happens on the left. Is that the title page? Okay. Now let me jump to this page and exit. Okay. Let's see what this does. Okay. Oh, all right. That syncs up. It syncs up the page, but it doesn't sync up the highlights. You see? And I don't like that. I want it to sync the highlights too. It's only syncing the page. Now, does it sync bookmarks? So what if I bookmark this page here? This is one of those very peculiar cases where what seems to be a somewhat natural definition leads. Okay. All right, so I added a bookmark here. Let me bail out. Oh, you know what? I want to do the full sync of the actual file instead of this manually only, because I think it's going to have to send the whole fucking file back and forth. If you're syncing highlights as well, then it has to send the whole fucking file, I think. So let's try that. What's this clone all button? Oh, no. Okay, what if I sync to cloud and sync from cloud? And this one was sync from cloud. Okay, how about sync to cloud? That's pretty fast. So, lieu of a glossary. Next page. Next page, okay. Yep. So it syncs the position, but not the highlights. Now, I don't know why it's not syncing this one. It makes no sense to me. I want to sync that one. Sync from cloud. Oh, new shelf books detected in your FTP. Yeah? Oh! So I have to sync it manually one at a time? Because you saw I had to hit this button down here where it says sync to cloud. Okay, so I'm on the NT alarmingly page. Let's see where this takes me. Yep, okay, so let's try highlighting this next couple sentences. All right, and then let's sync out. Okay. Oh, that just highlighted. Huh. Wow, it's fucking working. And it's actually a different color highlight too. So let's see what happens if I change this color highlight. There we go. That's not yellow enough. There. Okay. So will it sync if I leave here? And then what happens when I click this? Now where'd it fucking go? God damn it. I'm just going to hit sync from cloud. Okay, now let me try highlighting a slightly different color. Or I'll underline it. How about that? This MS-DOS. Wait, no, let me delete that. And let me underline all this crap. And then hit, God damn it. Hi. I don't want that. There it is. There, I want to sync that right there. And then I'm going to hit sync down here. Okay, it just underlined all of it. Yep. Okay, it's working. It's fucking working right now. But I think I have to actually hit the sync button. Now let me see what happens if I hit this. Oh, no, I don't. I don't have to do it. It does it automatically. Okay, but what about that big PDF file? This one right here. So let me highlight the title here and hit there. Okay. Now let me leave it. Now I should have that new version. See, it's not highlighted though. That's what I'm saying. So I might actually have to hit the sync button. Maybe. And then I hit download here. Because it's not copying the highlights on the PDF. It's like too big or something. I'm thinking that it's too big. Okay. Yeah, well, I don't know what else to do. It's working, but I don't know the size. There seems to be a size limit. Let me try. Let's see. I want to put one more book, a small book. How about the Doom book? Okay, there's Doom guy. Okay, let me connect to the FTP. I'll put it in the pub. There, Doom guy. All right, now let me hit sync from cloud, and it should say there's another book there. Oh, I guess it doesn't. How about this one, sync from cloud? This one doesn't recognize the book. So what the fuck? I put the Doom guy book there. It's not recognizing the book now. What if I hit... Oh, Jesus. I don't like that. It doesn't fucking... I'm going to hit clone all again. See what happens. Nope, it's not showing up. Import. Location. Nope. It doesn't fucking work exactly right. It seems to have connection issues. I'm using VS FTP. App install iftop. So I can kind of watch the connection as I'm like syncing and shit. Let's move this over. Let's hit this sync from cloud. Clone all. That doesn't actually do anything. I'm going to install like a newer version of this. How about that? Anyway, I'm gonna install a newer version. So let me pause it. Okay. So I'm gonna share it. If this fucking thing would work, you know, I really don't like cell phones and shit. Come on, where's the paste button? What a piece of shit. Why can't I paste it? There, how about that, fucker? Okay, so I'm going to download this file. 55 megs. It's an update to Moon+Reader or whatever. Let me hit update. Maybe this is stupid, I don't know, but I wonder if I should update the other one on the left. Okay. So let's see. I don't know if there's any changes to syncing. Oh, that's 9.0. Okay. So let's do the same thing here. I'm going to install the same exact version here. So optimize, reading. So not a lot of changes between the versions actually. Okay. So let me try that sync from cloud again. God, it's so weird it doesn't recognize. So I can't even use the FTP to add more books. I actually have to add the books here first. In which case I'll do that like this. So I'll go to internal storage, books, I guess Moon+Reader. And I'll put the Doom book there. And then I'll import it. Oh, I guess I can't put it in the, I gotta put it in the cloud folder. Okay, let's try that again. All right, it's on the phone only. It's not on the Pixel, the Google Pixel. It's on the phone. So, okay, so it just appeared. All right, so let's see what we have here. Okay. So do I have to hit, I'm not going to hit sync. I'm just going to sync from cloud on the other one. Yep, okay, now it just appeared. So you have to put it in one of the sync devices first. You can't just upload it to the FTP for some reason, which is strange, because that would be a good way to get started. There's the FTP logo again. Okay, let's sync. All right, so let's take this one out. We'll take this one out. We'll take this one out. We'll delete this one. We'll delete this highlight. And we will exit it. And it should be synced right here. Yep, it's all gone. So that it syncs on EPUBs, but maybe not PDFs, I think. Let's see if we have another, like a smaller PDF we can actually. How about something like this, a really small PDF? Let me put that on the phone and import it. Import, okay. And let me hit sync to cloud. And I'm gonna do sync from cloud here, okay. That recognizes it. So let me highlight, okay. Now let me see if I see that highlight. I don't. So what, PDFs are not supported? I think I've just established that PDFs are not supported. Let me try syncing from cloud. No more occurrences. Nope. It's not, it doesn't support PDFs, I'm thinking. So what do you do about that? What are my options here? Clear statistics, read filter, add to group, my ratings. So what else can I do here? How about sync from cloud? Sync from cloud does not exist, it says. VSF sysutil bind? Uh-oh, I'm getting errors now. My files, FTP. Oh, it's empty now. What? My files, FTP. It's empty. What? That's weird. What did that PDF fucking destroy my or my banned from my own FTP server? Okay. Let me bookmark this and see if the bookmark shows up. Weird. Don't ask again. Okay, that's bookmarked. All right. Okay, let me take the bookmark out. Okay, the bookmark's gone. So you can do it with EPUBs, but not PDFs. All right. Well, I guess I don't know the best way to do that then. I mean, didn't this book appear? I think it did. So how the fuck did it? How did that book? Maybe because I had it imported already. So can I delete one? Will it delete on another? Let's try that. How about deleting? Delete file. Okay. Now let's do sync to cloud. And let's do sync from cloud. No. No. Okay, now the FTP shows up. What the fuck is going on, dude? I think maybe I'm connecting too much to the FTP or something. But other than that, I mean, the FTP... Oh. Actually shows the pub folder. Okay. Oh, I deleted it from my shelf, but it didn't delete it from the FTP. Okay. Interesting. So what if I delete... I guess I can delete this here. Yep, all right. Well, I think we learned a couple things. Syncing does work if you only use EPUBs. If you import a PDF file into one of your devices, you can get it to show up on your other devices, but it will not sync the highlights. It will only sync where you left off, which I think is kind of dumb because, like, let's say I want to add a bookmark right here in lieu of a glossary. Can I do that? Maybe bookmarks will work. Okay, let's try that. Oh, I'm not seeing a bookmark. Okay, I just added a bookmark in the acknowledgement page. Oops. Acknowledgements. Okay, but I don't see the bookmark here. So if I go to bookmarks, Yeah, I'm not seeing it. So bookmarks work for EPUBs, but not for PDFs. Only positions sync for PDFs on FTPs, on the FTP sync in Moon+Reader or Moon+Reader Pro or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Anyway, I have more testing to do, but that's where I am right now. It kind of works. It's not bad. You just have to have this shit set up properly, the FTPs and crap, which maybe I'll have to make a video about. All right.